Come, let us make Rivers native soup. Rivers people, huh? They know they play with this soup at all. But the soup is giving, oh. If you try it, you'll be addicted to it. Here are the ingredients: soporoko head, stockfish, dry fish, cow meat, pepper, onion, ofor. Of course, Jed's food soup condiment. You go ahead to blend all you are going to use to make this. I put my meat on the pot. I go in with my salt, my seasoning cube, my blended pepper. You remember, you saw me blending this pepper. Pepper means onions, pepper, and the bugboe. Blended all of them together. I used it to steam my meat. Always do that. Your meat, if you don't have self-control, you finish the meat before you finish cooking. Then you go ahead to watch the dry fish, the stockfish, the oporoko, then you put it. Remember, before you put the stockfish head, there's usually these two stones at the head. Try to remove it so that somebody don't eat it. The feeling is usually not pleasant. Then you go in with your cheva soup condiment. You go ahead to blend your crayfish. I eat a lot of crayfish. It's better I don't cook with seasoning cube than not cooking with crayfish. Then after blending it, I go in with it into the pot. I cover the pot. Very simple recipe. While the soup is on fire, boiling, cooking, I'm going ahead because I'm making this with Uziza leaf to peel my Uziza leaf. You take your time to peel the Uziza leaf. You know when they bring it from the farm, it contains a lot of sand and caterpillar and all that, so you take your time to select it. Then you begin to wash. You have to wash and wash and wash and wash and wash and wash until the water becomes clear. You wash with salt or vinegar. For now I'm using salt. I washed it in more than 6 times. Yes, I washed it more than 6 times. Then after washing it, I squeeze the water out from the leaf, the Uziza leaf. I squeezed the water and I went ahead and began to cut it. I took my time to cut it. This is a portion of cooking that I don't like, to cut my vegetables. I don't like to do it. But what I go do now? Nobody take to do it for me. So after cutting my leaf, this thing took me time to cut. Yes, you have to recut so that it doesn't it will not settle in one area. I went in with my snail, I stirred the soup, then I began to add my ofor. Some people mix their ofor with water or oil before adding to it so that it don't form lumps. But if you are a pro like me, I'm a pro in the kitchen, you can go ahead and add it. After adding your ofor, you go in with your periwinkle, you stir, give it a good stir. This soup is almost ready. This is the part I usually like. Then you now go in with Uziza leaf. Yes, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to Cook with the Lawyer's Recipe, where you get Obonga recipe, natural, organically prepared. For returning subscribers, I appreciate you. If you know that you are a returning subscriber, kindly drop your message at the comment section so that I can send my hugs to you. Is this soup not looking appetizing? You won't give somebody this. My little daughter will say, Mommy, I won't share. This is too sweet. Please subscribe to this channel and put on your notification button so that whenever I post, you will always get the recipe.